Hi, I'm Steve with DURACLUTCH, and today I want to introduce the new 15551 DURACLUTCH upgrade kit for customers that previously purchased the 15521 kit for their Ranger non-XP single overhead cam. The 15551 kit is going to include our team tied secondary, a new MBL premium belt, hardware for the secondary, which will include a lock washer and a domed washer, along with some Loctite for that install. Now for the primary, you are going to need to change the weights. So we're going to send new RG95 weights, along with 3 pins and 3 new nuts. We will also include a new decal for the primary clutch, a new clutch housing sticker, and a very detailed set of instructions for you. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to email me, steve@duraclutch.com, or visit the website, duraclutch.com.